So, you're selling on Amazon but need help to increase sales and maximize your profits? With competition now greater than ever, just how do you compete? Enter Repricer.com. Repricer is a powerful yet simple to use repricing solution that helps you beat your Amazon competitors and win the race to the buy box. Your dashboard provides an overview of how your listings are repricing. You can see the total amount of your listings configured for repricing, how many are currently winning the buy box, and recent repricing activity. We provide opportunities that you can implement right away to help you get more sales. Our repricing insights provide a top-level view of your sales performance, your buy box ownership, and how many more buy boxes we predict you can own, along with a host of other helpful insights. Getting started on Repricer.com couldn't be easier and can be done in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Connect your channel. Whether it be Amazon or eBay, and link the marketplaces you sell on. Sign into your seller account and we'll link it to your repricer. Step 2. Set specific repricing rules on how you would like to compete. This can be choosing to include or exclude specific sellers, filtering the competition by fulfillment, stock level, shipping, feedback, seller rating, and even what marketplaces they sell on. You can choose one of our professionally crafted repricing templates or create your own for total customizability. Step 3. Set your minimum and maximum prices. This will ensure you're staying competitive whilst having peace of mind knowing that you're never selling at a loss. And that's it. Once you breeze through the setup process, you can begin repricing. You can even try it risk-free with our exclusive test mode option. You'll be able to see repricing working in real time without affecting your live prices. Then, when you're ready to go, just flick a switch. Repricer is trusted by thousands of Amazon and eBay sellers. Includes an easy-to-use dashboard, works across multiple Amazon and eBay channels, and is Amazon hosted for maximum repricing speed. Keep your prices synchronized across all of your marketplaces to stay competitive and maximize your profit potential. Our dedicated onboarding specialists will guide you through the entire process to ensure your repricer is set up for total profitability. If you have any questions, our amazing customer support team is on hand and here to help 24/7. So if you want to increase your sales and profits and beat your Amazon competition, sign up for a 14-day free trial today. Repricer.com. Higher sales through optimized pricing.